channel. I'm AmorAntasia. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the perfect summer hair featuring my hair company, AmorAntasia Hair. And so I want to show you guys my texture, like a quick review on my Malaysian curly hair from my hair company. I actually have been wearing this style since 2016 when my company first started, and so you guys really liked the texture, so I figured that instead of doing like my recent video with the short curly hair, I'm just going to do a new curly unit. Now this is a lace closure unit, and I just kind of like plucked it like as if it was a frontal, so you can kind of like pull it back or whatever and wear it like kind of out of your face. But this is a 16-inch lace closure, 18-inch, 20, 22, and 24-inch bundles. Now I wish I would have gotten myself an 18-inch lace closure, but it's fine. So I mean, it just comes a little layered or whatever. But I really like this hair. Like, I really do. I like it. If you want to make it flatter, you can use a hot tool and make it a little more flatter at the top. So as far as prices and quantities go, I have 3 bundle deals and also 4 bundle deals. So you can save more money by just getting 4 or 3 and then buying a lace closure. So I also have an everyday discount code in the description box, 10% off. And from a different, just depends on the holiday, I have different sales going also. So Memorial Day is coming up soon, so make sure you guys catch the Memorial Day sale. All of the sales are on the Instagram, so go ahead and follow Antasia Hair Instagram so that you can be the first to know about different promotions and sales. And that's basically it. The hair and longevity, I've had this, well, not this exact unit, but I've been wearing my curly hair since 2016, and I still have my 2-year-old wig that I'm going to be reviving or refreshing and showing you guys in my next video or the video after that, so that you can have proof that my hair has long-lasting qualities and it is virgin hair. And unfortunately it only comes in this color, but you can take it to a stylist or dye it yourself. So I don't really know how to dye hair, so that's why I don't come on here with crazy colors, because I just don't know how. So I've been thinking about trying to bleach it, like how I bleach my lace closure. I bleached it, so I'm gonna try and bleach it like brownish blonde or something like that. So I don't know, y'all pray for me. But yeah, that's basically it on this hair review. This is the Malaysian curly texture. This is actually the lace closure wig unit, but I'm just showing you guys the texture. Now if you were to buy the wig unit from me, then it would not come as plucked and as customized as this lace closure, but it would still come like this. It's gonna come in its raw form. The curls are going to be a little bit more defined as far as how it comes, but once you do the curl routine or once you wash it, the curls are gonna pop back. I've already washed this hair, and this is about the length. It comes down like past my boobs. And I do have a curly hair routine for the long hair and short hair, so you can check those videos out on my channel. And yes, now I feel like the hair is really, really big on this side. I wish that I didn't have as many bundles. Maybe I should have done 3 instead of 4, but trust me, this hair it gets thick now. So don't worry about the fullness. If you get at least 3 bundles, you should be totally okay, because this is like 4, like 3.5 bundles really. So yeah, it's thick. But of course, when you do, like, it depends on how you let it dry. When you let it air dry and you have it like, you have all the curls really clumped together, then it will look a little thinner. But if you just, kind of tease the curls out a little bit or let it air dry, then it does kind of, spread out, I guess. It gets bigger. But the curls are still defined though. Like, all of my ends are still super curly. And sometimes what I do, this hair could be a little too long for me, so I end up just clipping. I end up clipping it to like a 23-inch. So don't mind me, child, but all this hair now. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do all this. Sometimes my nerves get bad since I'm getting a little older. So I don't know. But that's basically it. If you have any more questions or concerns, comment below in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video.